As a taxi driver, and it really goes with the territory, I suppose, I'm subject to slightly higher insurance costs than the average motorist. In fact, a new taxi driver back in the day could start with about £3,000 a year insurance premium, quite high. Mine currently is about 1,000 because I've been doing it, well, about 12 years now, and that's with me and another driver on the insurance. But I've been hearing, well, echoes, should we say, in the background from various colleagues of mine complaining that the insurance premiums on renewal are looking a bit bad. And I do wonder how that translates to, well, normal residents and private drivers. Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for joining me once again. Appreciate the support as always. Good to see you. Well, let's have a look at this, shall we? Car insurance premiums. They're going up and up and up and up. I got told an absolutely staggering figure. And if you stick along with this video and wait till a little bit later on, I'll tell you what that is. And it's to do with electric vehicles. It's mind-blowing, the actual insurance quote. Well, a lot of them are really going up by quite a considerable amount. There's a friend of mine who's a painter and decorator by trade, and he used to let his insurance auto-renew. And what seemed to happen in his case was his insurance premium was going to quadruple. Yes, quadruple. In effect, he intercepted the problem before it became a problem, dealt with it, and got a reasonable rate elsewhere. Now, some of the issues that we have here can be detailed in this news article, and you can see straight away, driver hit with massive £8,200 insurance quote for electric vehicles. Yes, an electric car, £8,200. And if you hang on a tick, I'll tell you what that car was. You'll probably work it out. Drivers are being hammered, with some people seeing quotes as high as £8,200 for popular electric cars. Average price of car insurance has gone up by a staggering 58% over the last 12 months. Now, why is that? Represents a jump of 338 quid for drivers, with the average cost for a comprehensive car insurance policy hitting 924. It's like Rule 16 again, isn't it? There are fears that prices will continue to rise, potentially putting the price of annual cover to exceed 1,000. Now, here is some of the juicy information. Between July and September of 2021, the average car insurance price was just 514 quid, a decrease of almost 100 compared to the same time in 2020. And as a Top Gear presenter, former Rory Reid, went on X and complained of a quote of £8,200. They were treating a Tesla Model Y like it was a Bugatti. Now, I wonder if there's a connection with a recent fire and various expensive repair costs with regard to electric vehicles, why these things are going very, very high. Now, if we go down a little bit further, there's a guy called Kevin Pratt, who is a car insurance expert, and he was asked why things are rising as they are. Basically, car insurers are paying out more in claims for every pound they charge in premiums, and if they want to remain viable, the price has to go up. And it seems like electric car trouble. It's the uptake in electric cars, with the repair costs being expensive. Some people are looking at used cars as an alternative to buying an expensive vehicle, and they'll be more likely to get involved in an accident or a breakdown than a newer vehicle would. Various reasons there, but it's going up. Let me know what your experience is in the comments. Is this yet another way of getting us off the road? Who knows? Be interesting to hear your point of view. Anyway, make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, leave comments, and of course share everything. I look forward to talking to you again soon. Toodaloo.